Tree House by Íntegra Studio Arquitetura in Essay with São Francisco de Paula, Brazil. Tree House, with an area of 50 square meters that floats among the trees, is one of the 3 houses in the NaCarapina accommodation complex, located in São Francisco de Paula, in the Campos de Clima Serra region, in the state of Rio Grande do Sul. The region is mainly made up of fields, but NaCarapina is located on a mountain slope where the field meets the Atlantic forest. The location was chosen by the owner for its diversity, richness in different species, and because it is a region very rich in water. Built in 2022, we call it Tree House because it is fully integrated with the imposing araucaria trees typical of the Rio Grande do Sul mountains. The feeling is of floating inside the forest. The entire external part of the house is covered with cedar eucalyptus wood painted with a black stain, which, despite being heavier, is a color that makes the house very integrated with nature, contrasting with the internal part of the house, which is very light and soft. The internal lining material is marine plywood, a pine that recalls minimalist Scandinavian architecture. An environment built with little diversity of materials. The contrast of the dark outside and the light inside is a very pleasant surprise for guests. The house is made up of an integrated space where the kitchen and living room are practically one space, a bathroom, and a bedroom on the mezzanine. It has a large opening to the balcony integrated into the forest, a bench that serves as a guardrail, also made with the same wood, eucalyptus, and is a space that is widely used both in summer and winter, as it is very exposed to the sun, becoming a space pleasant.